It's a Sprinter, Mercedes Sprinter.
Like something like that, right?
It's very, very high-end. And I hated it because you always have to be careful.
And you always
When
can't drive it far.
you're traveling in dirt, you know, you want to be a dirt bag. Like, that's the bad life. Like, you don't want to be.
So you want to have one of these over there, right?
Yeah, you want to beat up them. Like, that's the best way.
I like this over here.
I had a Chevy van just like that when I was in university. Oh. I was living in it while I was studying.
So did you have the stove?
It's like a shit living in a van. In my van.
Did you have the stove in there?
I built everything in myself.
Did you have solar?
I didn't have solar back then. I had friends who let me hook up my electricity
you're lucky
at their house.
That's good. Okay.
Cheers.
I'll see you later.
We can still make a sandwich if you're still hungry. It's called the ass. No one eats the ass. No one eats ass at the bread. How many people you see when van lifing? It is insane how many people you see. This guy right here was from UK, which, what the? He said he comes out here every year for the past 12 years. He's from the UK. That's insanely far. I thought I was far. So basically, I cannot keep filming on the G7X for this particular trip because, well, it's dead, and the van life needs to continue. If he won't fucking talk no more, fucking interrupt me. But yeah, the van life needs to continue. Daylight is still out there. Adventures never stop, so we need to keep going. Sorry for that. You probably cannot hear that, but the adventures never stop. Adventures keep on going. GoPro is charged, so that's what we got to record on because eventually I will definitely get a 64 gigabyte SD card. I only have a 32 gigabyte SD card for this, but I can record countless amount of videos near my house. But van life, city life is definitely not gonna happen right now. There goes that guy. Let's just, no further ado, let's just get to the fucking action and get to this shit. Hope you guys do enjoy the rest of this vlog. I don't know why I'm saying that, but it feels like I'm on a different camera, so I feel like it's another intro, but it's really not. But yo, let's just get on with the vlog. Just got done eating. You guys saw that was fucking delicious. But we're gonna head on another freaking adventure, probably to the store or something. But yeah, hope you guys do enjoy. So basically, we are very content on not basically losing our spot. So we're gonna basically try to walk everywhere around here. We are literally not miles, but we're literally really close to the beach right here, and we're going to try to walk everywhere to try to save gas. And sometimes you need to comprehend with how you do things. And yesterday my dad had the decision to drive everywhere non-stop. I'm like, dude, we can get out and walk. Just park and find a stable spot. But we finally found a stable spot, and we're content on walking. So we're going to have to walk over to the pier. Then we're going to have to walk over to Vaughn's. Well, not completely to the I hope not. I hope complete. I can't even freaking see myself. This is freaking ridiculous. But there's so much sun. It's ridiculous. Let me see if I can shut this. Okay. But basically, we're not gonna drive over there, but we're gonna have to walk almost to the pier, and we're gonna have to walk a little bit over just to get to the Vaughn's. We're here. Do I got? It's off. Alright, it's off. Are you sure? No, it was not off. We're going to turn this on, and I'm going to listen to a little music, and we'll get on our stroll. So, catch you then. So, I'm literally just waiting for my dad to get back, and, let's just see. I'm just going to poke this out. That's what we can do. Poke this out, and this is like, this can work. This can definitely work. That's nice right there. Look at it. Only a little escape of. Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Ah! Fuck you!
Yeah, let's go take our walk.
Fuck you!
They were still down there.
Fuck you!
Let's go.
Where are they at?
Up there. Well, before she gets up here, go up the tree.
Well, who gets up there?
Ladies up there. Go.
Oh, who cares?
Well, one day, she's up there too.
Who cares? No, it's not the same as walking down there because it's flat. This is uphill, downhill.
I know, I mean, I'm saying it's
worse. It's worse. It's fucking worse. Not any better than walking down there. It's not any better. I don't want to drop my camera down the fucking mountain. Trying to show you guys the footage. No, this camper van Corey. Camper van Corey.
Black one?
What?
Black van?
What black van?
Camper van Corey.
I don't know. I don't even know what you're talking about. I just made that up.
There is one, I think, something like that.
I just made this up. We'll see. He thinks this is the right street to buy, but it's not. I don't know if those are apartments, but maybe.
It's no office.
Yeah.
No, nothing up on the roof. What is that?
Oh well. Come on. Oh well. Oh well, who cares what it was? You could have. Who cares what it was? Put it away here, right here.
The beauty mustache.
So that's the name I
Oh, you're familiar.
The snow caps. Oh, that one.
You were here.
It looks like you. It looks shaped like yours. You wanna buy it?
No. Yeah, you can buy it.
The snow cap, the Express, and the what is it called? The Hot Wheels Hot Truck. Hot Wheels Hot Truck 2.
Yeah,
I can even grab one.
You're gonna hold it?
I'm gonna hold it? Yeah, I was holding it.
got a
Look,
basket.
I'm holding it. It's right here. He told me to hold it. It's right here.
And the chili, we'll buy those for the chili. If you want sour cream, we'll buy that. Do you want some of those right there?
Do you really want them? I don't know. Do you want them? I'm just asking, do you really want them?
If I was asking, do you want them, that means I want them.
Oh.
Regardless if I really want
Then
them.
why don't you say grab them instead of ask me? You know what I'm gonna say? I don't know. Probably down this way. Probably down this way. And he's up. See if it's up this way. It's gotta be. It's gotta be. Come on. It's gotta be. Not sure. Not down this way. Oh, right here. Here it is. It's way down over here.
I'll be over there.
I'm just looking.
Hold these in, and I'll go get I'm gonna go get a plate. The cart.
Oh yeah, I got that. I got this. I think I want to grab something cheap, but we'll find out. My dad to get back. Let's go. We got everything. I had to push the van. I said van. I had to push the cart all the way down from over. Oh shit! My shoe came off. I was walking.
Say we stick it in the back of the truck and fold the
I was walking backwards.
mattress up a little bit and stick it right there in the back so we can stand up. Better?
I guess. I'm out of there. I'm out of there. I'm out of there. I just went into that place. No.
We get some scooters when we come up.
I went into that building.
When I get my caravan, I'll buy some used ones. Cruise around on
Some
them,
gas ones.
Yeah, like that guy had. This is Jack. It's a friend of ours.
Whew.
They're the black one.
Like even any of these, I'm always curious to know what they. I don't know why. I'm always curious to know what they look like inside from the outside. They look sweet from the outside, but they could look like shit in the inside. You never know. No, next one. That's the first one. Remember that's the first one we had to go down the hill. You're like, oh, I thought we're almost there.
This one right?
No, that's the one we had to go into the side in the hill in the dirt.
No,
And we had to go through the next path.
Okay.
Remember we got there, you're like, oh, I think this is the wrong one. Oh, we went through the dirt, remember?
Yeah.
Yes. We're almost there, a couple streets up. I know where we're at.
Look at this stuff. That's big.
That is a big ass house. Look at that shit. 3 stories high. Yeah, that entrance is fucking big. Oh, beach house is good. So ironic how we found this place. Just driving.
That one that goes that way?
Yeah, the one that goes that way. And then we have to go to the first street. There's the apartments right there. Can you try to cross? Let's see if we can. This is gonna look difficult. And we'll try steer them.
Yeah, get out in the front and lift it up. Get in the front of it and lift it up.
Wait. The views. We could have literally just stayed on that side because we're going to have to cross. We could have stayed on that side because we have to cross back over.
We gotta go over there?
Yeah.
Or you said this way.
This street.
This street right here?
This street, but we got to be on that side. I'm telling you. We could have just stayed over there. Oh, watch out. Crossing.
Go back and look.
Oh my god. Why did I put that? I'm tired of that. I'm freaking tired of that. I don't even want to hear it anymore. Alright. Just getting back to our bang. Now views. Gotta say, there is a lot less bums around here. For sure. For sure. We're back. I need this real quick. You can drain it if you want.
Oh, hold this food. We can mix this some more.
Freaking dark. But he's draining it. Okay. Oh, that burned the camera?
Say what you should have recorded it as what it is.
We're basically just making some meat for some tacos, for some burritos. As he calls tacos, I call burritos. I mean, he just folds it in half and makes it into a taco. No, this is flour. Flour is a burrito.
No, it's not.
Flour is
soft tacos are burritos or tacos.
Flour.
Soft tacos are soft.
Flour
tacos.
to me is considered burrito. Burrito
So when you
material.
go and get a chicken soft taco from Taco Bell, it's folded in half, not burrito.
But they don't use this big of a fucking burrito.
Yeah, they do.
No, they don't.
Can you film me now?
Pretty sure it is. Yeah, I think it's done.
Want to let it burn a little?
A little bit, yeah. With that being said, we are going to be ending this video right here. I did it. Today we're going to be ending the video right here. Right here. Still in the same spot that we ended yesterday and not the day before. The day before we were in Oceanside. We ended it over there, but hope you guys did enjoy this video. And always remember to be subscribed to me and everyone down below. And until next one, peace. From the Gaming Kings 107, signing off.